Hello everyone, this is Ashok and this is the follow-up video for Lab 1, which is part 3. And in part 2, we have completed up to the outcome that is 3C. That was this. Next, we have to go for 3D outcome. So for that, we need to come back to resource sheet. So you need to click on Gantt chart. Go back to resource sheet. So here you can see there are like the red colored resources. They are over allocated resources. So for that, so this file you have to save it as 3D. Click on File, Save As in your location, and save this file as 3D. Okay. Next, now we have to go to the Gantt chart view. So click over here and click on Gantt chart. So all these red ones are over allocated resources. So now we have to deal with our over allocated resources. So to do that, we need to click on resources here. And once you click on resources here, you can see there is this option called level all. So once you click it, so here you see all the over allocated resources are gone, so they are level up now. Now you have to save this file as 3E. So save this file as 3E. So this will be our file 3E. Now we have to see the critical path. So to see the critical path, we have to go to Format, click on Format, and there's this checkbox. You can see it's written over critical tasks. So click on critical tasks. So once you click on critical task, you can see all the red ones, they are critical path. So if you keep your mouse on those critical tasks, so you can see over here it's written critical. So all the red ones are the critical one. So now you have to save this file as 5A. So click on this file, save as your location, and save this file as 5A. So after you're done with that, your 5A file will be this. Next, we have to generate report. So to generate the report, you need to click on report, and then click on dashboard, and then click on project overview. So once you click on project overview, this will show how your project is. Since we haven't started it yet, so it is 0% complete. So this will be your project overview, and this you need to save it as 6A, but you have to save it as a XPS file. So to do that, you need to click on File and click on Print, And here you can see there is, like, once you click on the drop down menu, there is Microsoft XPS document writer. Click on this and click on print, and again you will get this option to save it as file. So save it as your ID and then your class ID and then your lab, and so it has 6A file, and the extension should be XPS file, and save it. Once you're done, then you have to go back to Gantt chart view. So to go back to Gantt chart view, click over here and click on Gantt chart. Okay. So go to report, click on report, and then here you can see click on report, then in progress, click on in progress, and then click on critical tasks. So once you click on critical tasks, you will have this file which will show your critical task, which you have to save it at 6B. So to save this file, again you have to save it as a XPS file. For that, click on file, click on print, again go for Microsoft XPS document writer and click on print, and save it as a 6B file. So once you're done with 6B file, now you will have this table. So in this table, you have to fill in the start date and final date accordingly, and make sure it should be exact the same way it is mentioned in your file. So let's say so over here you can read this one. Complete the table with data about the following phases from figure 10. So let me show you like figure 10. So figure 10 is lab 1 variant outcome 3E. So file 3E. Let's open file 3E. Okay. So this is our final comparison table. You have to fill in all the start date and final day for project initiation, project plan, release, and it should be exactly as mentioned over here in your file 3E. So you can see in project initiation, the start date is December 12th, 2014, December 12th, 2014, and the final date is 12th of December, 25th of December 2014. So this way you have to fill in everything. So same goes for project plan, right? So make sure it is like perfectly correct, otherwise you will be making a mistake and your lab 1 outcome wouldn't be correct. So once you're done with this, you need to save the outcomes. So your final comparison table would be in a doc file. You need to save this table and fill in everything, and then you have to save all this list of files from 1A to 6B those are like MPP file. 6A and 6B is XPS file, and the final outcome, the comparison table, will be a doc file, and you have to zip this file accordingly, according to the however it is mentioned. And yes, this is how you are going to complete your lab first. I hope it helped. Thank you.